Ready to unlock the hidden potential of your crypto holdings? Let's dive into how you can actually get a loan using Coinbase. First things first, Coinbase doesn't always directly advertise crypto loans in all regions. Check your account to see if a borrow or loans feature is available. If not, explore the Earn Rewards or DeFi sections. These may lead to lending partners or related services. While specific requirements vary depending on availability and partnerships, expect standard eligibility criteria. This generally includes a decent credit score, income verification, adherence to KYC requirements, and location within an approved region. Now, let's look at how Collateral Works. Coinbase allows you to use your crypto holdings €, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other supported cryptos €, as collateral for your loan. Note that the loan-to-value ratio dictates how much you can borrow based on the value of your assets. Remember, market volatility can affect your collateral. It's important to note the risks. Market swings can trigger margin calls, where you need to add more collateral or risk liquidation. Make sure you understand the potential impact of market fluctuations on your loan. Be mindful of the loan terms. Review the interest rates, repayment schedules, and any potential fees associated with the loan. These numbers are crucial to making an informed decision. Borrowing against your crypto can be a powerful tool, but it also carries risks. Always do your research, understand the terms, and manage your loan diligently. Stay informed about Coinbase updates and any changes to their lending services.